Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Bonnie and I are here. We just got done filming a really yummy, healthy summer salad that you can take to any barbecue. We just ate it up and now we are ready to do another little recipe for you guys. This is what we've been making in the mornings. Smoothies are great, especially in the summer, because right when the sun comes up and my kids wake out, they run out the door. So they play outside, we make a smoothie. So this is really simple. I'm excited to show you guys what it is. A cup of non-fat plain yogurt, a half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, banana, blueberries, strawberries. I literally am just gonna throw it all in the blender, mix it up, and it's gonna be good to go. All right, and there is our smoothie. That's a tall straw. Hey, and then that's it.
When we work, a lot of times this is what we snack on, so this was really good.
Yeah. I like having a lot of fruit. You can add whatever fruit you want, blueberries, but it's nice that the base is just some oats and some non-fat yogurt, and then add whatever else you want. So you can add chia seeds, that would be really good. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick video of our smoothie. You can eat it any day. Oh my God.
Just leave that part out.
I know, I just like... Thank you guys so much for watching our quick video. We also have don't let your bird fight my penguin.
No, what are they?
Flamingo! Wrap her up. I can wrap this up in 2 seconds if I get my shit together. Why are you nervous? Your face is so red. You've been doing this for 6 years. How come you don't know how to do your job?
Anyone that watches our videos knows how to close our videos.
The outtakes are gonna be longer than the video. What's in these? All right, guys, we are gonna wrap this video up. We took a little detour. Thank you for watching this simple recipe of the smoothie. Our family just came out again with our Griffith's cookbook. It's amazing. We worked really hard for a year. The pictures are just beautiful. Let's flip up just to any page. That's the potatoes. We're not gonna do that. Just like any page. It's just, the pictures were so fun to do. So it's on pre-sale right now. We'll have that in the description, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye, guys.
Wowzers!